The current scenario has made us review our existing health insurance cover, and for many who do not have any kind of health insurance, to get a new cover. Though all the existing Mediclaim policies provide insurance cover for treatment of novel coronavirus disease, the exorbitant hospital bills have forced us to rethink on the adequacy of our existing health insurance cover. Now it is absolutely necessary to have an adequate cover for self and for our family. Let's understand all of this with examples. We consider a family of 2 adults and a child. The age of the eldest member is 35 years. The existing health insurance cover is 5 lakhs rupees. And now the family thinks that their existing insurance cover is inadequate and they want to increase their total cover to at least 15 lakh rupees. What should they do? We have got a few options here. Number 1, they can buy an additional regular health insurance policy with sum assured of 10 lakh rupees, for which they have to pay a premium in the range of say 16,000 plus. Number 2, they buy a top-up or super top-up plan of 10 lakhs sum insured above the base policy with 5 lakhs deductible. I'll explain this term deductible. And for this, they have to pay a premium in the range of say 2.5 thousand to 6,000 rupees. And the third option is to buy a Corona Kavach policy. Now, what does this term deductible mean? A top-up plan and a super top-up plan comes with a compulsory deductible amount. A claim can be made in these plans only when the expenses crosses the deductible amount. That means a top-up or super top-up plan gets triggered only when the claim amount crosses the deductible amount. Now, how does this work? In our example, the family have a base policy of 5 lakhs rupees and buys a top-up plan of 10 lakh rupees with a 5 lakhs rupees deductible. This is the base policy, this is the deductible amount, and this is the sum insured of the top-up plan. Top-up plan, right? And this is the base. Suppose in a case of hospitalization, the expenses reaches 7 lakhs. The existing base policy takes care of expenses up to 5 lakhs rupees. And as the claim amount crossed the deductible amount of 5 lakhs rupees, the top-up will get activated. Top-up of 10 lakhs will get activated to fund the additional 2 lakhs rupees. So the base policy will take care of 5 lakhs rupees and the 2 lakhs rupees will be taken care by the top-up plan. And this happened because the top-up got triggered as this claim of 7 lakhs rupees has crossed this 5 lakhs rupees deductible limit. Fine. Now here, having a base policy is not compulsory to buy a top-up plan. It can be purchased independently as well. So in such a case of no existing base policy, one have to pay this amount from their own pocket while the top-up pays the balance 2 lakh rupees. Okay. So here I have talked about a top-up plan and a super top-up plan. So what's the difference and which one is better? Let's see. Now same here, the family has a base cover of 5 lakhs rupees and decides to take a top-up of or super top-up of 10 lakhs with a deductible of 5 lakhs. Let's see. This is the deductible of 5 lakhs and this is the top-up sum assured of 10 lakhs rupees, and this is the base policy, base sum insured of 5 lakh rupees. Fine. Suppose the family have to claim twice during the same policy year. The first time, say the expenses comes to 3 lakhs rupees. And then the second time the expense is say 4 lakhs rupees. We are discussing the case of a plain top-up plan. And this is a super top-up plan. The base cover here will pay the 3 lakhs rupees for the first claim. Now after paying this 3 lakhs rupees, the base cover will drop to 2 lakhs rupees Now, for the second claim, the base cover therefore pays, for the second claim of 4 lakhs, the base cover pays therefore only 2 lakhs rupees. And the remaining 2 lakhs, the family have to pay from their own pocket, because this plain top up will not get triggered as neither of the claims have individually crossed the deductible limit. Clear? Therefore, for the settlement of hospital expenses the second time, they have to pay the balance 2 lakhs from their pocket. Now we'll see the case of super top-up plan. Super top-up plan, on the other hand, will consider the aggregate of these two claims. So during the settlement of this second claim, tax under 4 lakhs, the base cover therefore pays 2 lakhs, because the first 3 lakhs, the base, we have used the 3 lakhs from the base cover, the balance is 2 lakhs. So while settling this 4 lakhs bill, 2 lakhs will be taken from this base cover, and the remaining 2 lakhs this super top up plan will provide. Now this super top up plan got activated because the claim amount has crossed this deductible limit of 5 lakh as an aggregated value. Clear? Okay. Now we'll discuss this third option, Corona Kavach policy. Currently, on the directive of IRDAI, insurance companies have launched the Corona Kavach policy, which provides insurance for the treatment of coronavirus disease. Currently, this type of policy can be purchased on or before 31st March of 2021, and the policy period is 3.5 months, 6.5 months or 9.5 months. This is specifically designed standard policy and covers expenses associated with the disease, including the comorbidities and the PPE costs. The waiting period for this policy is 15 days. As this policy covers only novel coronavirus disease, and that too for limited time period, the sum assured is limited to maximum 5 lakhs rupees. Maximum 5 lakhs. And the premium cost is obviously low compared to regular medical insurances. Now, in our example, as the maximum sum insured available for this type of policy is rupees 5 lakhs, and the family wants to increase it to 15 lakh, the total sum insured. So the family needs to buy individual policies of maybe 3 lakhs each for each member. For this, they have to pay total premium in the range of 3,000 only. But this policy can be used for the treatment of novel coronavirus disease only, and is valid for a maximum period of 9.5 months only, while a health risk will always remain. So, what are the takeaways from this video? Number 1, a top-up or a super top-up plan helps to increase your health insurance cover at a very reasonable premium. To buy a top-up or super top-up plan, it is not compulsory to have a base policy, but having a base policy is always better, as the base policy takes care of the deductible amount. A standard simple top-up plan gets triggered only if a single claim exceeds the deductible limit. However, a super top-up plan takes aggregate claims made during the year into account to get triggered, thus may be far more useful. Super top-up plans are very helpful to enhance health insurance cover for people at a higher age group to enhance their insurance cover, as a regular health plan will come with a high premium at such age band. Ideally, one must go for a Corona Kavach policy in the current situation only if one does not have any type of health insurance cover and also cannot afford to buy a regular health insurance plan. Now, before finalizing on a policy type, you must consider all the other policy features along with the ones